heart is a balloon, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck, and the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you can lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road, but you've got no destination. You're in the mud, in the maze of her imagination. Your love is down, even if that doesn't ring true. You've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. So let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Teach me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. See the world in green and blue. See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day. So let it get away. Beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Reach me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. What you don't have, you don't need it now. What you don't know, you can feel it somehow. What you don't have, you don't need it now. Don't need it now. It was a beautiful day. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now.
It's not the same kind of sound. It's not the same kind of sound.
Okay, Scoop, let's get with it.
Looks like we've got another mystery on our hands. We'll split up. I'll take the girls this way.
Yeah, I know, and Scooby and me'll go the other way. A clue! A clue! Hey, Scooby's found a clue! Here's a Scooby snack, Scoob. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, that's it. Let's go.
I think it's groovy. I think it's groovy. I think it's groovy. Groovy, guys, really. I think it's groovy. I think it's groovy.
You said it once, you can say it again.
Groovy, guys, really.
This is a groovy dance floor, isn't it, Velma?
Yeah, well, why don't you try dancing on it instead of my feet? Oh no, he's losing control. 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 Just bang on the floor.
Hey! Hey, Scooby! I found the xylophone!
Shaggy, get a hold of yourself.
Come on, Shag, let's dance.
Let's go!
Wait a minute. I think I found a clue.
Like nothing could get him into that creepy place.
Not even a Scooby snack?
Well, almost. Go, Scooby, go!
You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack.
A Scooby snack? Hey, Scoob, pick up the beat.
I'm thinking this mystery is pretty close to being solved.
Oh no, he's losing control. I think it's groovy. I think it's groovy. Groovy guys, really. Your brain should be in high gear now.
Oh, no, not me.
Your brain should be in high gear now.
Scooby-Doo, where
Brain
are
should be in high gear now.
Scooby-Doo!
If Scoop's finished laying the track, we're all set to go.
Looks like we're running low on fuel. Better come back in. Set up the approach. Coming downwind. Coming down to base. And now we're turning final. And oh, looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Come on, just go. Looking good. Just hold the nose wheel off. Hold the nose wheel off. And hold the nose wheel off. And awesome. Oh, man. Oh, damn. I hate when I do that. Oh, son of a.